Hello everyone, to my video, and today I'm gonna tell you about my phone, Motorola Moto G8 Plus, and why I decided to get rid of it and what I got instead. It's not gonna be very fast, a very long video, but here it is. Okay, so I decided first to look at good points about this device. The screen is really nice. I like screen. I like this screen. It's phone itself is very snappy, very fast for me, at least. For the price, it cost me £192. I think it's very fast enough for everyday use. For the a user experience, I think it's a good one. I mean, using the phone, it's a very good experience. I have no issues. I had no issues with any apps that I installed. All apps work very well on this phone. So it has a clean Android installed, and it's like overall. I really like I like it, right? Overall, I like it. I like user experience. But why I decided to get rid of it? So I have some issues with the device itself. First of all, sometimes I lose network signal because it's two SIM cards model, and sometimes I just don't get any signal without a reason, even though earlier in the same spot I had a very strong signal, and I don't have any issues with signal on my iPhone, for example. And the second issue is sometimes that when I turn off the phone for a while, it's after a few minutes it turns itself on, and then it's I can't turn it off, and it's froze on the starter screen with a Motorola logo, and that's it. I can't do anything, and it's vibrating as well. When I press the power button, nothing happens. Only when I go to the administration mode or something like that, then developers mode, then I can actually turn it off, which is very annoying. I don't know, maybe something is wrong with my device. That's why I decided to get rid of it. One more thing which is very good, it's face recognition. As you can see, I'm gonna turn it off, put into my face, sorry. Okay, I was wrong. Okay, see? So anyway, sorry about that. But anyway, face recognition is really fast. And like I said, I would keep it, but those issues, they are really annoying, and I worry that in the future it's gonna give me more headache, more problems. So what I got instead, I got Xiaomi Redmi. Just a second, I'm gonna check the name. Xiaomi Redmi 7A. So that's what I got. That's what I got instead of my Motorola. It's a much smaller phone, as you can see. So on top, as you can see, it's significantly, I don't know if you can see, it's a significantly smaller phone for me as well. At least, sorry, it's almost as big as my iPhone. Sorry, and it's a very nice color, blue. I think it's blue, yeah. Or azure or something like that. And screen is okay. I'm not saying it's perfect screen, but screen is okay. It's quite snappy. I paid £86.51 for it. It doesn't have a fingerprint reader. It has only face recognition and of course PIN or pattern unlock. and it has 2 gigabytes of RAM, 60 gigabytes of storage, and it has micro SD slot, and it has 2 SIM cards because I want it with 2 SIM card slot, and it has Snapdragon 439. So that's what I got. I've been using it for a few days. It's, you know, slower than Motorola. It take like a little bit of hesitation for example, Wi-Fi to turn on. Let's say, let me show you. So for example, I tap on Wi-Fi. As you can see, like maybe second or less to turn it on. But everything else is, as you can see from me tapping the options. Okay, so as you can see, it's quite, I think, fast. But I don't know, for some reason, I'm playing with it. For some reason, with Wi-Fi, it takes a little bit more time to turn it on. I don't know, maybe that's something with my Wi-Fi, I don't know. Anyway, that's what I got. It's half of the price of the Motorola, and we see how it's gonna work for me. I'm gonna use it for a few weeks, and I'm gonna tell you how it was. First impression, my first impression of this Xiaomi. For the price, I'm really surprised. And if you want something really cheap but still functional, I'm not saying I'm recommending, because maybe I will have some issues as well, like with Motorola after a while. But I don't know, for £86, I'm really, you know, positively surprised. This phone is quite good. Anyway, that's what I wanted to tell you and show you. Oh, and I have an unboxing video from unboxing this Xiaomi, so you can see what's in the box, and you can see in the link. I'm gonna leave a link down below in description, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like it and share it, and of course I'm gonna see you in the next one. Cheers.